typically in a franchisor's process of due diligence, and every franchisor is a little bit different on
Yeah,
when
yeah,
they send out the FDD. At what point in
sure.
the process do you suggest clients get involved with you and send you the FDD?
Sure. Well, I'm a bit flexible. Definitely before you sign the franchise agreement, that's necessary. but honestly, we can start as early or later in the process. It's not a major concern to me. I think it makes sense that I'm at somewhere in the middle as opposed to maybe too early or even too late, because you don't want me to come in too early when you pay me to look at the review and then you find out something about their culture or something about the way they do business that you don't like, and then you don't want to pursue that opportunity, right? So I would suggest they've done enough due diligence where this opportunity makes sense and they do want to pursue it, they're enthusiastic about it, and now they need to understand the legal obligations. I think that's a very good fit, is right there in the middle. And then on the other end of the spectrum, I mean, our timeline is fairly fast for doing franchise agreement reviews within 5 business days. Um, but you don't want to probably be under a deadline from the franchisor. I mean, I just got one, I guess yesterday or maybe Sunday even. Got, the franchisee submitted and said, well, the franchisor gave us 7 days to sign. And I'm like, well, okay. First of all, these guys are coming off the used car sales lot. First of all, coming to sell you a franchise. So just pump the brakes a little. It's okay if we're a little behind and we're in the process of due diligence. We will do it fast. We will do it correctly and within the time we need. But don't get bogged down into the sales pressure, right, of those timelines. So I don't recommend that you're under the gun with that timeline, but I also don't recommend that you do it so early that you're not bought in to the concept, right? That you don't see that it is a fit. So hopefully that makes sense. But
Sure.
yeah, so
Yeah.